back it up. Hey, back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
Around 2:30 p.m. on November 30, 2023, police responded to a call regarding an assault with a deadly weapon at a local business establishment. The suspect, Francisco Javier Alba, assaulted an employee inside and then fled across the street.
Yeah, I'm calling from 75 Laurel Canyon Boulevard, North Hollywood. It's a liquor store. My employee was just attacked by a transient, which sits across the street. And I think this guy is crazy.
The guy is across the street now, the transient?
Yeah. He's sitting there. He's sitting in front of the Super 8 Hotel on Laurel Canyon.
Okay, does he need an ambulance?
No.
Okay.
But,
let me get a description of the guy that hit your employee. Is he black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
Hispanic, 5'5", probably like 280 pounds.
Okay. What color shirt and pants was he wearing?
He's wearing I don't want to get close to him, but he's wearing a hat, a red hat with the symbol in front of it.
Okay. And what color shirt, do you remember?
I think it's like brown, dark brown.
Dark brown shirt, okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember the pants or no?
No, but he's
And did he
sitting
use
right
a
there.
weapon or did he hit your employee with his hands?
He broke, we have these, COVID, the shield in front of the cash registers. He broke it and he went after the cashier and he hit
with
his
the
arm.
plastic shield?
Yeah.
The victim, trembling but unharmed, provided details of the incident, describing Alba's actions as a minor offense and vandalism. However, the victim chose not to make a private person's arrest, leaving the police to handle the situation.
And, he's telling, I'm going to kill you, stuff like that.
Okay, what's the name of your business? Okay. And your name?
My name is the guy that works here. His name is...
And then what's your phone number at the store?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get an officer out there. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
As officers were finishing their report, Alba reappeared, now armed with a drywall hammer combined with an axe blade. He approached the officers, initiating a tense standoff.
What? Hey, what?
God bless.
People talking.
Hey, be careful.
Never you liar to me.
Hey.
I love the officer.
Okay, wait.
I love the officer.
Okay,
Do me a favor.
por favor.
Hey.
¿Habla español
Dime
o inglés?
I speak all of the language, and the
Sí,
door
¿verdad?
control.
What's up?
Ok, me hace un favor. Ok, ¿dónde va a tirar eso?
Aquí en el trash container.
¿No va a hacer recycle?
No, never I make the recycle. Why? The law you make is trash. My law, you see me right there? It's very true.
Ok,
I take care of you, and his is very nice.
hey,
It's under you,
Hey,
but his is very nice.
Can you-
He's very officer.
hey, can you do me a
Don't
favor?
speak nothing more with you.
Alba, dressed in multiple layers of clothing, ignored commands to leave the area. Despite repeated warnings, he became increasingly agitated. Officers called for backup and for over half an hour, tried to de-escalate the situation.
hey, Francisco, me hace un favor. Ok,
I'll be in favor too. God is perfect. God is very perfect law. You make the law, but you damage the law under you, and never you have control of the law.
ok.
My law is very perfect law. My father got it right here.
Oh, okay.
And I have with right there, and I love the good officer. The trash law officer, I put it out. And never I use the arm. You have the gift. I give to you. And I don't want to take off. I take off in 1 second. And I put it on you. God bless you.
Francisco, me hace un favor. En el futuro ya no regresen aquí, ok?
No. Never you say no coming right here.
No regresen
All
a la
over the country is mine.
tienda. Francisco, a la tienda no
Listen to
regresen.
you. They are my family. They are.
Hey, sir, how's it going? This is Johnston from North Hollywood. We got a 415 man here. I think he's part of a radio call, but we just wanted to see if you guys had any contact with him. Stand by. I have not got a chance to run him or verify his name. It's just kind of the name he screamed out at us, so just heads up.
9823, 9823, are you clear?
His name's Francisco Alba.
Francisco Alba?
Alva, A-L-V-A.
B-A, boy Adam, right?
Victor Adam.
Victor Adam. Yeah, Francisco?
Yes, sir.
No contact?
No contacts, no.
Alba's defiance peaked when he began crossing the street, wielding the hammer. Officers, following protocol, issued numerous commands for Alba to stop and drop the weapon. Alba's response was chilling. Shoot it, shoot it.
En medio. Pero no, pero sin el martillo. No, ponlo pa abajo. Pa abajo. Hey.
Using less lethal rounds such as TSARs, 40mm launchers, and beanbag shotguns, officers made several attempts to subdue Alba. These efforts proved ineffective as Alba continued his menacing advance.
Back it up! Hey, back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
As Alba moved closer and refused to drop the weapon, an officer-involved shooting occurred. Alba was struck and fell to the ground. Officers quickly moved in to secure the scene.
Francisco! No lugares, Francisco! Francisco, no lugares, ¿ok? No lugares. Quédese en el piso, Francisco. Quédese ahí en el piso. Anyone get RA? Francisco, no lugares, ¿ok? No lugares, no lugares. Francisco, ok, no le toques eso. Quédese ahí. I got gloves on also. Quédese ahí. No lo mueves, ¿ok? Está bien, no lo mueves, quédese ahí. No lo mueves. Quédese ahí. No lo mueves, ¿ok? Ahorita.
Emergency responders transported Alba to Holy Cross Medical Center, where he was treated for gunshot wounds and stabilized. The hammer, a combination of a drywall tool and an axe, was recovered and retained as evidence.
Okay, ahorita pone tu estómago, ahorita. Okay, quédense ahí.
Hey, nothing in my bag. Turn it. Don't feel.
Escuchen lo que le van a decir.
No,
We're gonna need more than one.
Double cup. He's got
turn him this way.
Another one?
Yeah, we're gonna need more cups.
Hey, don't feel.
He's in. He got three.
Don't feel damage my cuerpo.
Quédese ahí en el piso. No te muevas, Francisco. Pon tus manos ahí atrás.
There we go. Nice and easy.
This incident underscores the complex and dangerous situations law enforcement officers face daily. It also highlights the importance of adhering to legal procedures and community standards to ensure the safety of all involved. Although no officers or community members were injured in this incident, it serves as a stark reminder of the potential for violence and the urgent need for ongoing training and adherence to legal and ethical standards in law enforcement.
En medio. Pero no, pero sin el martillo. No, ponlo pa abajo. Pa abajo. Hey.
Back it up! Hey, back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
Please leave your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest analysis videos from American Copwatch.